Dude.
Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. I thought it would be fun to finally do a makeup tutorial. Now's the time. So you want to start off with a fresh face, like this. And then you want to put foundation on. Pump it on your hands, and then rub it in, and then start putting it on your face, you know? I have a lot of red in my face, so I want to make sure that I just blend my skin tone really beautifully. Wow, sometimes you grab too much and then you look like this. We're off to a good start. Next, we are gonna move to concealer. We wanna cover those under eye dark circles. And being a mom of 3, you definitely need the concealer, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh. And you wanna get the concealer and then you put it under the eye. Okay, yeah. Okay. Next, we are moving to the Beauty Blender, which is a sponge. I used to put it, rub it around my face dry. You're not supposed to do that. You can make it damp, and then you'll blend it. It doesn't hurt as bad when it's a little bit damp, you know what I mean? Oh, perfect. This is going well. Next, we're gonna move on to bronzer, and you wanna put it under your cheekbones to create contour. Sometimes you get it above your cheekbones, it's fine. Just make sure you create that shadow and makes you look skinnier. And we all want that, right? Yeah, we do. Now we're moving to blush. Blush goes, sometimes you can't find the right brush. Okay, so we're gonna, there we go, there it is. Sorry, I couldn't find it for a second. No, other side. Right there. Look at that. I'm starting to have some color. Oh. Next, we're gonna move to eyebrows. This is the trickiest part. You can use some Anastasia Dip Brow. It's works really, really well to give you that nice, clean eyebrow look. Let's do this brow now. So, now,
You're making me laugh. Stop.
I have tears again. Let me wipe my tears away really quick, guys. Okay. Now we're gonna grab the eyeshadow. There we go. The brush is on it. So I have to, nope. The brush is on it. So we're gonna, there we go. Pick a color and we're gonna put it on the lid. On the lid, there we go. And we're gonna switch up the color for this eye. Beautiful. When you're done with shadow, next you wanna move on to the eyeliner. I prefer liquid eyeliner. I feel like it just gives you a really pretty, sassy look, you know, so let's do it. And apply to the eyelid, just like this. Be very careful with your eye. All right. And after you've applied your eyeliner, you need to grab mascara. So close, not that yet, but yes, there it is. It's tricky. Mascara goes on eyelashes, obviously. So you want to find the eyelashes and put them on very carefully. Okay, like this, perfect. And sometimes it gets all over your face, right, ladies? So annoying, that mascara gets you every time. Okay, and then after that, you want to seal the deal with some lipstick because it wants to look like they have no lips. You know what I mean? Put it on your lips. Just like that. And then you are ready to start the day. I'm so glad that I could finally do this makeup tutorial with you guys today. And we'll do this again sometime. So thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
Oh my gosh, you look hideous.
Just disaster.
Gosh, that is so funny. See your face. Wow, you look horrible.